Today, January 1st, was a big day for China-made Tesla Model Y, which announced rock-bottom prices significantly lower than prices Tesla initially announced about the made-in-China Model Y. And you are about to see the first videos of made-in-China Model Y. The videos were sent from China and shared by our friend Ray for Tesla, who tweets at Ray for Tesla at Twitter. Welcome back, everyone. This is Armen Harayan from TorqueNews.com. If you are here for the first time, please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news analysis and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla report. So first, let's watch the first close-up views of videos of made-in-China Tesla Model Y that came today from China.
兄弟们，到了2台 Model Y， 全车的黑亮条，真香啊！黑色的轮毂，来，内饰的细节。
大一点。
内饰的话，座椅都一样，无线的充电。
哇，好传奇哦，比我妈那个还。
坐在里面的这个视野还是可以的，比较高。黑色的把手和亮条，你们再也不用找我来贴亮条了。后排的空间，这是我正常坐的这个位置。两拳。电动尾门，真香。
As you can see, a very beautiful car, different than what we had seen before in the United States, and with unique design updates and refreshes as the wooden panel and so on, which I've already reported today. If you would like to see about made in China Model Y prices and the design changes and upgrades, please check out my 2 previews reports today at our Torque News YouTube channel. I just mentioned that Tesla China announced that domestically made Model Y's latest prices as volume production of the electric vehicle crossover started in Giga Factory Shanghai. The Model Y dual motor all-wheel drive now starts at $52,000 and the Model Y performance now starts at $56,000, a significant reduction from the vehicle's initially announced prices. My friend Ray, who tweets at Ray for Tesla, said those initial prices were possibly inflated. I asked why were they inflated. He said because Tesla didn't want to cannibalize the Model 3 sales in China, which makes really good sense. I just want to let you know that prior to the recent update, Tesla China listed the Giga Factory Shanghai produced Model Y's price at 488,000 Chinese yuan, which is $74,000. So from $74,600, it has dropped to $52,000, and for the dual motor all variant at 535,000 yuans, which is 81,800 US dollars for the performance version. That means the performance version has dropped from $81,800 to $52,000. You see, almost $30,000. In comparison, the Model Y dual motor all-wheel drive starts at $49,990 and the Model Y performance starts at $59,990 in the United States. So as you can see, made in China Model Y is much cheaper because Tesla has been able to localize the supply, probably based on that. Now we have very interesting news reported in the media already, especially at Tesmanian, saying Tesla China made Model Y apparently has already surpassed 100,000 orders within 10 hours of new pricing announced. Imagine 100,000 orders within 10 hours of new prices announced, and you've already seen that today, January 1st, Tesla has been already shipping out the Model Ys made in China, and with further Tesmanian research, Tesmanian reports, they confirmed that 2021 Tesla Model Y made in China will come with the same interior upgrades as the 2021 Model 3 in China. Also, Model Y will come with a heated steering wheel and HEPA high efficiency air filtration system, which I've already reported earlier today. Check out that report about the interior designs. Heated steering wheel is really great. You know what, it would allow people who are driving it not to turn the air conditioning cold weather and just do the heated steering wheel. If you don't have passengers and you are well dressed, that will save you some extra more energy, and Model Y already has, I think, 360,000 I believe or so miles per gallon, miles per charge, I'm sorry. One especially hot piece of information that Tesmanian reports receiving through their multiple reliable sources in China is the following. It says, Tesmanian says that from their sources, within 10 hours of the official pricing announcement, the total order numbers of Tesla Model Y made in China are reportedly surpassed 100,000 units of the China Model Y, China-made Model Y. That means today only Tesla sold 100,000 units. We can apparently say that a couple of hours after the pricing announcement, Tesla China official Weibo account also posted a note asking customers for patience when ordering due to the high traffic in the Tesla China website. Well, that's kind of also good news, and long-range Model Y will start delivery this month. Already started, as you can see from the video published by our friend Vuva, who tweets news from Gigafactory Shanghai daily. And also, friends, it's interesting, in Tesla China's upgrade is Giga Shanghai's Model Y default paint option. Unlike the US made counterpart, black is the China-made Model Y's default paint color. This was Tesla's default color with the Model 3 before the company shifted to the now standing pearl white multi-coat that is available on Fremont-made vehicles today. With its updated pricing, the Model Y in China, made in China Model Y will be priced far more competitively against its local competitors like the NIO ES6 and EC6, other car makers that are looking to tap into the same premium segment as Tesla are likely see some pressure from the American electric car maker as well. And while the recent price updates on the Model Y may seem kind of drastic, electric vehicle advocates have noted that the all-electric crossovers initially announced prices were already speculated to be inflated, like I said today. This is also confirmed by Teslarati, by the story by Maria Merano in Teslarati.com. She also thinks that the prices were confirmed. With Gigafactory Shanghai now ready for Model Y production, however, it appears that Tesla China is now ready for a full-on assault on the country's premium all-electric crossover market. Tesla China has also announced that it expects Model Y customer deliveries to begin this month, as noted in a report from Reuters. This is roughly 1 year since the electric car makers started customer deliveries of the Made in China Model 3. So 1 year after Made in China Model 3s were delivered, Tesla started delivering the Model Y Made in China. This is very exciting. Tesla just have to be careful about It's a competition because, as I have reported earlier, there are three competing companies that are really doing well in China: Nio, Li Auto, and also Xpeng, which are coming up with good new models in 2021. But the Tesla's competition is going to be stiffer. Tesla has to be alert and has to develop a good marketing and product strategy and execute it in a wise manner. And I think everything will be good for Tesla in China. Well, friends, let me know what you think about the Model Y made in China, the new design changes, the new pricing, as well as deliveries in 2021. Do you think Tesla will meet its goal of making and selling 1 million vehicles in 2021? As I've reported before, majority of that will be produced probably by Gigafactory Shanghai, as well as the exciting news is Gigafactory Berlin and Gigafactory in Texas, Austin, Texas, are coming by the middle of the year in 2021. So exciting times for Tesla if everything goes well. Well, friends, this is Armen Harayan from torquenews.com. Please subscribe to our channel for daily Tesla and electric vehicle news analysis, and ring the notification bell so you don't miss my next Tesla or EV news. Have a wonderful rest of the day. Happy New Year to all of you. God bless you, everyone. Peace be with all of you, and see you soon.